You're not here to watch a horror movie, okay?
We are here to understand how a lightning bolt outside is created. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get going! As we have learned that in my previous videos that static electricity is caused when two objects rub against each other, static electricity in an object does not move until it is motivated by an oppositely charged object. Clouds have tiny ice particles that bump on each other and cause an electric charge. In a storm, charges in the cloud are separated. The negative charges gather at the bottom and the positive charges gather at the top of the cloud. The ground below the cloud becomes positively charged. When the negative charges at the bottom of the cloud and the positive charges on the ground are just right, a lightning bolt occurs. Lightning can go from cloud to ground or ground to cloud and also from one part of the cloud to another part of the cloud. Benjamin Franklin did the first systematic study of lightning and proved that it was a form of electricity. He flew a kite with a metal rod attached to the top in a thunderstorm. He attached one end of the twine string to the kite and the other end to the metal key. He tied a silk ribbon to the same key and held the kite with the silk ribbon. Franklin was smart enough to stand in a dry area holding the dry end of the silk ribbon. A bolt of light struck the metal rod and the electrons rushed down to the metal key. Franklin held his hand near the key and observed the spark. Some people say the charge ended in the latent charge which can store electric charge. Though it was a dangerous experiment, it was successful. Many others have tried doing the same experiment but they have died trying. What happens when a lightning strikes? In most cases, the earth absorbs the charge and the ground around remains unchanged. Sometimes when the lightning strikes the sand, which is rich in silica, the lightning causes the sand to melt and fuse together. This creates glass-like hollow tubes called fulgurites. These fragile tubes can be found in just below the surface of the sand. The outside of a fulgurite is rough and sandy, while the inside is smooth and glassy. If you were to make fulgurites, you would have to heat silica sand over 2,950 degrees Fahrenheit. Isn't that hot? I'm already burning. Now that we have understood the danger of lightning, let's see how we can be safe in our cozy homes. Don't go outside in a thunderstorm. Stay inside. Now, if you can't make it safely inside, don't stand under a tree for shelter. Crouch down as low to the ground as you can, but don't lie down, okay? Stay away from water and get out of a pool or lake. Don't sit on metal benches or stand near a telephone pole. And yes, don't go on a hillside. Don't hold metal objects like a bicycle or a baseball bat when a lightning is nearby. It's alright to sit in a car during a thunderstorm. Because even if the car was struck, the metal frames would carry the charge around you. And yes, do not touch the exterior of the car as you may get shocked. Keep the windows of the car all rolled up. Turn off the TV and computer as lightning may harm these devices. Remember, do not fly a kite during a thunderstorm?